What's up guys, my name is Travis. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm gonna teach you how you guys can edit your photos in your mobile phone. The app I'm gonna use is Adobe Lightroom, and this app comes in two versions. One is the pro one is the free one. So in this video, I'm just gonna use the free one so everyone can learn how to use this editing software. Now if you own a DSLR camera like me, in some occasion I wouldn't bring it along with me because DSLR are very heavy and slightly bulky, so all I have is just my phone. So I will just use my phone and edit some photos, and I will post it in Instagram straight away. Now if you haven't followed my Instagram account already, you can go and search it, TravisJavier_official. I post a lot of photos there. So let's stop the talking and get to the edit. Okay, so here's an example of picture that I would actually love to edit. This picture was taken when I was way back in Langkawi. And yeah, so the first thing that I usually will do is okay, so I will edit the lighting first, just slightly of the exposure so you can see what's going on. And the next thing is the contrast that I usually would touch it first, because I personally feel that you should adjust the shadows first. So adjust the shadows a little bit, maybe just a little bit there. Okay, so the whites, and lower down the blacks. Okay, so the highlights is a little bit too high, so I will lower down the highlights too. Okay, now I only go to the contrast. I love contrast because it makes the photo really stand out from what it is. So in this picture, I want to make it a little bit of cold feeling. So I just go to the temperature and I will slightly drop into something near blue color. Something just like this. Okay. So the next thing I will do is usually the crop. I will post this photo in Instagram. So it's a 4:5 crop. The next thing I really love is the effects clarity, so I will up the clarity just by a little bit to make it punchier. So I'll adjust the vignette a little bit so you can spot the subject easier. Just a little bit more. Okay, now I will head to the HSL. This is the color mix section. You can easily find it at the temperature, the color section, and just hit mix. And usually I love to tune my blue color first, so I'll just adjust it to slightly this kind of cyan color. And I'll adjust the saturation, bring up a little bit of the blues and the luminance. So the next thing, I will bring up the skin tone to make it brighter. I will not touch the hue for this picture. Bring out the reds a little bit to make the shirt stand out a little bit. Okay, so the next thing, I'll go to the curves to bring down the shadows a little bit, midtones, and higher the highlights. Okay, so back into the light section, I usually will adjust my shadows once again because it's a little bit too dark. Bring up the sharpness of the image just by a little bit, or 40 is about right, and you can see a difference straight away. Maybe a little bit of vignette. adjust the midpoint, feather, and there you go. So to export this file, just click the top right corner and save to device, and you're done. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button if you like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for further contents, and I will see you in the next video.